Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. We're at CES 2020 in the Garmin booth. We've got Kevin here who's going to talk to us about a new dash cam that can look both forwards and backwards.
Right.
Is that right?
Right. It is called Tandem, and we are designing this for the commercial driver to where they are wanting a camera solution for not only up front as they're out in front of them, but what they're viewing in the cab at the same time.
Sure.
It gives you a 180-degree recording angle on the front side. It records in a 1440p, so you get great resolution. Inside, in the evening, there is the camera has a special feature called night vision, and it gives you an awesome, clear picture of what's going on in the car on there. So it comes with a 16 gig micro SD card, so you get approximately 4 hours of recording time, and it's just simply on a recording loop.
Okay.
And if you would happen to experience an accident, there are sensors in the device there where when you feel that impact, it will flag the video clip.
Okay.
So then when things kind of calm down, you can either view it either on our mobile app called Garmin Drive, or wait till you get home and use your favorite media app there on your computer.
Okay. Is there any sense in upgrading the memory card, or is the 16 gigs really all you need because of the...
It's a personal decision.
Okay.
I've heard with some of my dealers with our other models that some of the commercial truck drivers prefer like maybe a 32 gig card just because they don't have to think about it. And of course they're on the road a lot longer than you or I.
Right.
You know, this is maybe a 10, 15 minute driving here and there. So I personally think the 16 gigs should be plenty of room for them.
Perfect. And is this available now, or do you have a timetable?
Nope, it's available right now.
Perfect. All right, guys, some more great products from Garmin. We're at CES 2020. Stay tuned because we've got a lot more videos coming up.